Okay. Ram, I don't see Ram here. Is next to you.
Yeah, he will join, Shrikeka. He will join.
Okay.
We can continue with Matsai after this call, Srileka.
Yeah, Indrani, if team is available, we can continue, not a problem. Okay.
Ram Kumar.
Indrani, by the time when Ram Kumar is joining, I just want to ask, like, for Yali, if the team is getting nominated, right? For individual, they can upload the nominator form. How can they apply the team nomination?
For Yali.
Yeah.
Whatever format is available, so we can update the data. Same format available. Samsaptaka, what is the format? Same thing available Yali also.
I don't think so. Rashmi raised it. Rashmi, is that your query was clear?
Okay. What is the
actually, we applied for the team award in the Copper location.
Okay. For Yali.
Yali.
Okay, same thing. Same. What is the team award means? What is the details? Same format. So we have in that award category. So we can. This is the purpose of. We need to choose that. Innovations or improvement.
No, Indrani, what's the format? What's the format? Yali is the different format. Individual is the different format. So that, like that, still like asking.
Yeah, we have format already available. That portal, right?
Okay. Already available.
Available in the portal. No, actually, no data required for the whatever DMAX, all the things not required for Yali, right? So we have only for the who is the nominator, nominee details. What the nominee details means, that particular project. Oh, here applied employee nominee details.
Bala, actually adding to you, the thing is that for Yali, it is for a it does not have any SLA kind of thing, okay, like production quality, so that will not have the Yali award. For some Samsaptakas, it is a team award, right? So it has the team attendance, attritions, and every SLAs will be entered over there. So that is the difference between Yali and.
No, actually, whatever Bala asked question, the template is available, right? Whatever in Yali, so it's.
So team award means Samsaka, right?
Yeah, team is for Samsaptakas, and
that's what I'm asking here.
Yeah, that is what
Rashmi also asking that question.
Yeah.
Rashmi,
yeah,
that's Samstaka, not Yali.
Okay.
Yali can be given for an individual. That is what we discussed in the last meetings. Srileka, correct me if I'm wrong, right? So Yali is for like an individual, right?
But eligibility in the eligibility criteria in the portal, it is mentioned as individual or team for Yali.
Okay.
Srileka, come with the final conclusion.
And
you nominated this one for Umesh, right?
Yes.
Umesh, Arun, and that team award, team. That,
Yes. So we need to one more column. We need to update here. Actually, here the template, whatever nominee details mentioned, the particular individual detail will be available. So we need to add the one more template here for the team.
Okay.
Apart from employee code, we can remove the mandatory column for that particular two things, because employee code and also team. So we need to create one more column here. So we can create
it. Yeah, please create it, and I will add it that name.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we'll start, Indrani. I think Ram is here. So we'll go with Samsaptakas. Hi, Ram. Good evening.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah. So over to you, Ram. So you can explain why you have nominated your team like.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, around this R process are 150 headcount. So particularly, we have received a new project. So entire users have trained on only cuboid of the LiDAR 3D annotation project. But 2D is very recently new project. It's not a like EC2 bounding box polygon. It's a semantic segmentation project. So around 34 users in there. So users are the client not given the proper training. Only given the training days, only 1 day or one and a half day only given the training task. Not given the training task. They have on the live in the task also training level. So just 1 day we have working on the making task. Making means production task. Then day 2 working on the production making task. Then day 3, so Hero team taking over the delivery hub department because he's our client working on multiple vendor task. For example, other vendor task or 3 or 4 vendor task around the project working on around 150 plus users in that vendor task. All 150 user working the task. So we have the QC level delivery scope. So that delivery area. So this December month, users have daily extend to shift and include week of day also working, include holidays also working. 25th national holiday, that day also users are working. So full-fledged to working good delivery to the last 2025 month. So that's why we are nominating something of about 35 users now.
Okay, Ram. So any questions to Ram? Like we have
Yes.
Yuri from.
Actually,
yes.
I want to add some of the points to Ram.
Okay.
The thing is that what you have mentioned is like we entirely into 3D process. So this is the first time we have received a 2D project from the client, and within 2 to 3 days we have been moved to the live delivery part also. Like kind of thing is that we will be doing QC for the entire the other vendors of art process and including the art process also. So we actually act as a both QC and final QA also. So the 34 members has been split into QC part, and some users has been split into the QA part also. So the final delivery, which what we have completed, will be given to the client. And by the good thing is that all the files has been delivered, what it has been committed by the art process to the end client. So that is one of the major thing because this is a drastic change in the project also, because we are very familiarized, we are very strong in 3D part, but this is a 2D semantic is something quite different when compared to other 2D projects like image, polygon and all. So it's a very different task and different type of this judging is also required, because this project goes more assumption, more assumption only, because the perception plays here a major role, because if an annotator thinks the same needs to be think by the QA and QC people. So the perception also here plays a major role in this particular task. So currently we are running this project. Actually, it has been came very recently for us, like 2 months almost, and the delivery plan for the year end has been scheduled and they given on priority. So we have planned by extending the shifts on daily basis and regular logins on weekends also, like Sundays also some users have been logged in, and on the Christmas Eve also we have logged in. So this is a quite different thing. That is what the reason it has been nominated from our end.
Thanks, Mahesh, for adding more what Ram explained. So it is something not similar like 3D project, what they've already done. So it needs more effort. That's what you're trying to say, right?
Correct, yeah.
And also one more thing, what I understood from the explanation, the crewmates who have already was doing the work, I mean, half of the crewmates did the QA also, which they were never experienced before.
Correct, Srilekha. End delivery usually we will not give because our process will do the end QC and they will deliver. But this time we QC our process files also, and then we deliver to the final client.
Okay. In this, did they took extra timing apart from the 8 hours work, Mahesh?
Yeah, Srilekha. Initial days they have been taken till that they understand the project and to mitigate the gap. Then they will be working. Usually we have 9 hours of work for our process. It's not 8 hours for us. So people will work till 9, and a few QAs will extend till 11, 12 hours also during the delivery time.
Great, Mahesh. Thanks. It was just curious to know, because I'm not into the process. Just trying to ask some questions to my level. Thanks.
Thank
so,
you.
Any other questions from Vivek? Vivek, we have, and Jaya. Anybody join from Kollu? If you have any question, you can ask. Juries? No questions? Okay. Thank you, Mahesh and Ram. Next, we'll go to Yali. So, Bala, you ready?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
This is like
Thanks, Bala.
always steady. Yeah, actually, we implemented new office. I mean, we deployed new office in a couple locations.
Okay.
So we created IT infra like base to full infra. Like we upgraded ISP from 60 Mbps to 1 gig, and we changed ISP from BSNL to Airtel, like 1 gig. From old office to new office, we deployed RF and OCF, like fiber cable. So RF from old office to new office, directly via air, the signals will be received, that internet. So if any disaster happen, like fiber cut, anything happen, automatically that internet will be up. And we configure that new firewall, it's 4890G. So in that new office, in Kapu new office. And we deployed new network devices like biometric CCTV and the devices like server things, switches, everything we deployed in new office. So for that new smooth transition for that operations. So that's it.
Thanks, Bala. Okay. So, Bala, is that something, because the last time also we heard like there was an Yali award nominated for Karthik, I mean, for all the setups of new things in Kapu Center. So this is completely purely you're talking about the IT related.
Yes,
So,
operations will be different, like admin related thing, right? So this is purely IT.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah.
Thanks, Bala. So any questions to Bala? Ram, Mahesh?
No,
Anybody from Kollu? No, right? Okay. Thanks, Bala. So we have
And dedicatedly we have worked with the 24/7 for all the days.
Yes. So even sometimes live is not available, so remotely we may, I mean, there is an access was available, I think.
Exactly.
What I understood when I was of DC Live, and now I'm getting it 100%.
Magesh also in the midnight sending that emails for creating. So immediately we'll send that emails. I mean, create on the time, we'll send it immediately. I hope Magesh
will acknowledge it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks, Bala. So we have one more nomination for Yali, that is Indrani. As everyone know, we got it in Slack also. So Veena, would you like to take up?
Yeah, I think Shilika, you can probably start and then I'll add to it.
Yeah, so as everyone know, the portal what we are using in R&R, so that was created with Indrani and her teams. So that's where the Mani sir nominated it for. So now I think everyone are comfortable. You can see all the details, whatever you see in R&R portal. That was the hard work behind Indrani and her team. So that's the reason where Indrani was nominated for December month Yali. So that's it. Anything, Indrani, would you like to add more behind this portal you created, your idea, your thoughts?
Yeah, Srileka. So this is actually already started in the whenever we summit was started. So
Okay.
whatever before that we are planned actually, because everything we are sending the nomination through Word document. That is the one reason we are consolidating through folder and sending the nominations, and whenever we are presenting that we need to show. That's why we are regarding the database. One is the reason, and also how can we easily to organize this R&R thing. So that's why Ram Kumar is the major support for this R&R application created. So when we started that small idea, so after that we can, whenever we implement it for trial, all the things, so many things changes happening in that application. So maximum effort done from Ramkumar.
Okay. So Ramkumar, question to you: what was the very difficult part when you were creating this tool?
So I am doing only AI developing tool.
AI Google Studio.
Yeah, because very challenge is the database connectivity. So every changes will be appear on the database connectivity is backend software. Then deploy say making some error also every time pop-ups. Now everything's fixed, ma'am.
So if you want any immediate tool, we can approach Ram, right? AI Ram.
No, ma'am.
Yes, only I is missing in Ram, AI Ram. So we'll add that. Thanks, Ram. So that's it, Veena.
Thanks so
Anything
much, ma'am.
your side, Veena?
Yeah, sure. So I think long back when we were discussing about Indrani taking over the role of R&R plus DMAX and all that, the first thing she said is we'll see how we can simplify this whole process, because there were so many emails that were coming through. So much of data was not getting captured properly and all of that. So she was the one who said that we do some tool and all that. And once we started the summit and all that, when AI was in the discussion, so that is when Indrani said, we'll use AI tool and design something. And whenever I used to ask her what is the progress she has made, she's like, no, me and Ramkumar are talking about this and we'll do something about it. So I think a lot of efforts from both Ramkumar as well as Indrani on bringing out this platform. And I think it is a very easy tool to access and use, because there are not many data points that you have to fill. And once you have the data points there, you can also look at who were the previous winners and all of that. So I think it is a very good initiative. And even without getting an approval for the financial, she said that can we roll it out and all that. And then we just showcase it during some of our events. And then I think the response has been pretty good. And it is among the few AI tools which was the idea was generated, implemented, and right now it is in use. So I think in that sense, it is one of the AI projects which is really in action. So congratulations, Indrani and Ramkumar. And that is why I think the nomination is made by CEO himself. So yeah, I'll back that up.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Veena. So that's it for Yali and some subcast. The final result will approve and we'll give you the update. Yeah. So we have only jury only from Viluppuram and TNP. So as TNP is nominated for Yali, TNP cannot vote. We have only one vote from Vivek. So Jaya, is there any jury from your side?
No, they have a client call. That's why they have not joined in the call.
Okay. Okay, fine. Then Indrani, shall we discuss and update the final result?
Okay, Shweta.
Yeah. Yes, Veena. Thank you, Veena. Thanks for joining and thanks for your words. Thank you so much.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you. Yes.
Thank you, everyone. Happy Pongal and happy Sankranti.
Yeah, happy Pongal.
Thanks, ma'am.
Happy Pongal. Happy Pongal.